What's up, guys? Urta the Third here, and welcome to Bridge Constructor. I'm just trying out some of these levels here. Front flip. Oh god. Fail front flip. Ooh, no. Uh-oh. Oh no. Okay. Try that again. Full speed. That was acing landing. Okay. I think we're supposed. Oh shoot. I think we're supposed to build something up here too. How long can we make? Oh, we can make those boards go pretty long. Connect. Will that even hold? I want to simulate that. Ooh, it holds. No, it doesn't. Oh, wait. What if? So, try it like that. I think that. Yep, that'll work. Try it. What happened to my bridge? Yeah, that is not right. Yeah, there. Now let's try it. There we go. Wait, what happens? Oh god. Oh god. What happened? Why does my game keep freezing sometimes? Let's go. Oh my god, did I really just go over it? Okay, let's try that again. Nice. Got him. I don't got him. Oh, that was legit. That was super legit. Next level. What? Build my own ramp. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. Please remove the existing construction. Oh, tap. Tap it all. Tap it all out. Yes. Do I really need a guide for this? Build a ramp shown by the lines, okay? The heck? Back. What the heck? Yeah, shown by the lines. I want to remove that one piece. There we go. Tap. Tap, and then do that. Let's hit it. Dang it. I want a 980. Break. Oh, come on. I gotta try to get that screw. Golden screw. Nope. Not gonna get it. Nice. I know it's like a stunting game, but why are they using a tow truck as the vehicle? It's kind of weird. Next level. Ooh. Okay. Oh, yeah, I can see. Just gonna tap all that stuff out. Yep. No. Tap out. This looks like some big stones. No. There we go. Okay, build that up. And then that. Perfect. Go for it. Whoa, my god. Double front flip. Flip it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Whoa, whoa. What's up? That was awesome. Yeah. Yeah. Let's try that again. Let's do it. Oh god. Tumble down the hill. Tumble down the hill. Come on. That was awesome. Oh, explosions in the background. Okay, I'm saving that replay. Sure. Next level. Let's. What the heck is this? Okay, from there to there. Down, there we go, save. Ew, what? Did I really just, like, tear down that whole bridge? That was awesome. Start flipping. Ooh, slow down, slow down. I can't slow down. Ooh. That was great. Okay. Saving that replay. That replay was pretty awesome. Next level. Cancel. Yeah, I don't care. Don't forget, you can press the simulation. Yeah, I know about that. Not retarded. No, I don't. There, that needs to be the road. Is that it? Okay. Dive forward, dive and forward, dive and forward, do the flip, flip, flip. Ooh! Oh, nice! So that bridge get wobbly a little bit. But I like wobbly. Yes! Nice. Are there any different vehicles in this game, I wonder? What? Oh my gosh, this is so far zoomed out. I can't zoom in anymore, really? I can barely see what I'm doing here. So, once I get that done... Is this like a build at your own level? Can I just like cheat and build a giant road? Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm doing that. Yeah. What? I can't do that? You'll bet I can. Yep, just compromise. That's how we do it. Maybe I can just put a little support thing there. Then we can build a bridge. Perfect. Simulate it. Yeah, that ain't happening. I don't think that's gonna happen. Well, first of all, we gotta build supports. I wanna try this. You had a big budget, like, you could probably do this. Ooh. Yeah, there's no way. A lot of explosions. Maybe we could build a giant support bridge. Giant ugly looking support bridge. Yeah. Perfect. Come on. Make it half the distance. Then build it. Now we have to build more support there. Then there. Perfect. No, it's still not perfect. I'm just gonna play it. I can hear all the explosions. Oh my god. Oh god. Ah! Body slam. Whoa. Whoa! My truck's exploding for real. I thought it was just on fire. It could be on fire. Boom, boom, bang, bang. Ooh, dude. Look at that, dude. Oh, slow down, slow down. Slanded it. Got him. Nah, I'm stuck. I think we were supposed to build more bridge. Demolition derby. Slow down. I can't slow down. I'm gonna explode. Yep. You know what? I think there's more construction to do. No, not there. Over here. Yep, there was. Oh. That's over budget. Now let's try it. Yeah. Whee! Oh god. Oh god. Landed. Eesh. I landed on top. Oh my god. Here? God. We need to make that bridge more stable. Why is this truck not moving? Okay, there we go. Nice. Keep steady. Ah, oh my god. Ooh, I just body slammed it. Yep. Wasted. Let's go. Hit the gas. I think the trick is to like try to fly. Oh my god, I lost my front wheels. Is that possible? Oh my god, my vehicle's about to explode. My god, as soon as I hit that ramp, the whole ramp just got ripped apart. I guess that happens with every bridge. Like as soon as I hit it. Explosions. Bang, bang, explosions. More explosions. Come on, we gotta get it on this try. Oh my god, I ripped through the ramp? What? What the heck? Oh my god. Sorry, one last time. Last time. Well, first of all, there's a problem with my ramp. So obviously that ramp is not holding. Like, not holding. So, yeah, it's like not holding. I'll give it one try. Ooh. Ooh. Slow down, I can't stop it. Slam it. Oh my gosh. Well, that's going to be it for today, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget about the 50 like thing with the jalapeno challenge. Bye.